Are you a content creator looking to take your video editing or scripts to the next level? Well, AI can now do that for you.
Damn!
In today's video, we're going to introduce you to 7 insane AI tools that every content creator should be using to produce more content and get more views. These powerful tools will revolutionize the way you create, edit, and promote your content on any platform. So, buckle up and get ready to learn about some futuristic AI tools that'll totally blow your mind. Number 1 is Videoai. If you are a podcaster or YouTube content creator who produces long-form content but hates the manual repurposing of your content for platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels, Videoai can create short-form content with proper captions and editing with just a click. This AI tool can automatically identify chapters and the most viral moments from your video and make short clips out of it which you can share on other platforms. You'll save almost 90% of your time and effort in content repurposing and can focus more on new content ideas for your channel. Number 2 is Adifi. When you are researching for your next video on YouTube, you have to go down a rabbit hole of lots of videos on that particular topic. What if you could just read or have a transcript of all the content of the video? Well, this AI tool does that in a pretty modern way. Adifi is a Chrome extension that helps you summarize the whole video for you through text with just a tap. It can save almost half of your time when researching endless YouTube videos on a topic. The third one on this list is Midjourney. At this point, I believe every good creator needs a high-quality and well-optimized thumbnail. Midjourney makes the process of creating a good thumbnail quite easy and without many graphic skills. You just need to join their Discord server and use the Imagine prompt before typing in the specific details of the thumbnail. If you are not living under a rock, you might have seen viral Pope images or billionaire poor images on social. They were all made via Midjourney and they look pretty sick. Next on our list is RunwayML. One of the most advanced video editing tools when it comes to AI-powered tech. Imagine if you could remove a person or object from the video by just highlighting it. Not only that, but what if you could generate a whole video from scratch by just putting in a text prompt? Runway has more than 30+ such AI tools that can enhance your content's quality and make your audience go wow. At number 5, we have 11 Labs. Imagine if you could produce your own voiceovers in multiple languages from just text. That's right, 11 Labs is a revolutionary AI technology that can clone a voice from a clean sample recording.
But as a concerned citizen,
one of the 400,000 people who marched in the streets of New York on Sunday,
and the billions of others around the world who want to solve our climate crisis.
As an actor, I pretend for a living.
At number 6, we have Descript. If you are a podcaster who distributes content on YouTube, you will undoubtedly find it difficult to add subtitles, transcribe it, or cross-promote it on platforms such as Instagram or TikTok. Descript has solved the creator's pain issue by introducing AI technology that assists producers in transcribing their material in 20+ languages, adding captions/subtitles, editing for other platforms, and much more all in one location. Some of its cool AI features include fixing mistakes by typing what you wish you said. It'll clone your voice and add it to the audio. Apart from that, it also removes fillers like etc. with just a click. Lastly, you get a pure studio-style podcast without actually owning a studio. Last but not the least, we have Wonder Dynamics. If you want to include VFX and live-action character design, this AI tool is it. Creators Elwars find it tedious to learn and execute VFX in their content, but with Wonder Dynamics, it has become super accessible and easy. You can create CG character and give your video a real cinematic style animation as well as motion. The 3D design powered by AI is just few clicks away. And that's it for the video, guys. Make sure you leave a comment on which tool you have or haven't tried yet for content creation. Also, drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more AI content. Thanks for watching.